Dole lianka uambu haini bajenzi kumantereshe gembe wameamua kuimba, wameamua kuokoa Meru. Wewe peke yako wewe ngoti embe utraina.
Mbinam no.
Bathroom.
Mami.
Karibu sana mutegeri wa Wero TV ntuko naro turenda kutha tukiaria manzo egi urimi bwa kimera gia kaua tutho tukimenya mwankana ndi mantu jakinyite na kimera gikigitite bwega na turenda kuga kumakiri CEO wa Meru Central Coffee Union atwereketha tutena mbere kuri makaua kana na teno nturi mwito na kiri nyomba chia nteto kaua ga kuiwa ikareta thina sana ketherwe kireta mantu hapa na pale tuna mugeni ugumenyekana jakiambia marete mapesa aciari baku bagutakia mbia ri hapa mbago thoba na
Karibu sana bana Marete, thank you very much no tubotorera kanyaru kirwaru ari mbere ya twita sana yoro ni burari na iburatirimanite societies za kwi 40 something, right? What was it about na indronere brokire na tumantu twiri tothatu yera buraririe kwira thirikari kwira arimi na societies.
Thank you mono nonto mutegeri nonto bwa kombita mubango ne jujwa Weru unbita wakiambia Marete nini CEO wa Meru Central Coffee Cooperative Union igoro turetite society ira tuthiaga nacio mbere kinyira gi society ira tuthiaga nacio Meru Central Coffee Union ni union idira mantuja go support ari mkirorimbo kauga tukathia kauga karea tukachoka tukabenderia na arimba karewa na tukagita kinya variation kiri one of the activities tia Meru Central Coffee Union turari na arimba rabathiaga na bautwe arim ba society 34 management committees ya society 34 sa Meru Central na society kenda cia Meru North na tugana kauri moja tuga bautwe tukathiera kauga amwe tuga support institution cietu na Meru tutena mwanya kiri urimbwa kauga gutena mwanya jwa Meru North na Meru Central kuga na ndi tugo tuthiera kauga amwe tora tutwere kuthia na tukauga thirikari ni turariririe mantu ja waiver mantu jara thirikari yariririe ya waive the 6.9 billion lakini mbecha ile ni ragitiro cia 2 billion na itukuria thirikari na ate gwakarikire kenda mbecha cia kawigitwa twetana ara rutere rwantu ba igwa our brothers and sisters by 1 billion magana jana na about 2 billion kenda ira tukwenda tumba kuivira rimbaka uga mbecha itikuoneka kire thirikari iji sejo mantu jara turarairia na tukari mantu ja reform siriku ira ciambiririo ni the deputy governor Gachagua. One of the reforms that you are ni subsidy fertilizers the subsidy ira ni fertilizer ya mpempe na fertilizer mpempe tu ya kawa na tukule thirikari tegere mantu ja chonde jara ja ku affect murimi okauga na batikaire ira rimba kawa kaire baume outlightly babere ora bakwenda na rimba kawa
maybe bogeretie yekarona nene ba deputy president kwena manene ba bangikiri rwangirwa kawa any promises so far icho ni twari my chairman Fantas Majao ni bari na Oparanya the new CS for cooperatives twaraire mantu ja European Union Deforestation Regulations UDR na kuringana na regulations ya UDR kuritwika arimbara batita bari compliant by 31st of December 2024 kawaga tita ki European Union which means na 55% kawaga getu geta ki European Union nikitumi ukona tuki witness kinya prices cia premium grains in the growth age nonto uptick ya multinationals batikona kujukia kawaga kaingi nonto Kenya ri nyuma tuketa na Uganda ba comply Ethiopia ba comply Tanzania they are moving well lakini Kenya tutijara tuka host data the government is numb itikwariria na ara tuka host data age kira tuta tu compliant kukinyake bakiragirwa gikinene ni gutwika by that 1st of December thirikari kethreta jana moro to join direction ira tugeta kiri compliance uche European Union arimbet bakitha bari risk nene.
What is this UDR?
EUDR mwaka jwa 2020 nthiguru cia Africa nuntu twijikene na gwita ku encroach forest reserves ni bakarire nthiguru European Union euga kende tutethia guti commodities ciao igetakiri market yao ire arimba kana antu batonyete ba encroach the forest beta bagita miteria kwagia mantu ya global warming gwatuika miuro yetu gekuma na ni gwatuika gukagitirwa geomapping antu arimbaka wanara bari bagitira coordinates poneke nara bari kenda arimbara pakethera bari kiri areas cia forest reserves kauga kao gatigurwa kana commodities ciao itumba kugurwa chita ki European market it's a way about no bibi kathirikari European kona thagatu tukuma kumenyera mito yetu iyo tutetheria njira ya kumenyera mito yetu
so ironical though no ile na mambo yako kuterana but anyway but so EUDR yini ngwe ya murimi kana ni ngwe ya thirikari kana ni babu society thiguru ingi ni thirikari kugitangu wino it's a very tedious exercise na very expensive na kinyana ara dateweka hosted nonto as much as some of the cooperatives tietu igitite geomapping batijana ara dateweka hosted kuwitio batethia na ndiro turorege thirikari itwe institutions kana ba ututwingwa twewe tuli as National Cooperatives Union twewe ara tukahost ndateje kenda Israeli datere thirikari ira ya cia European Union ikomba kome access na cidra ikiuga ni data ya uma okay ibrari mantu ya fertilizer as well na kinyotha ayu umeweta I don't know if you're aware lakini number one yoro ni kurari na muchamani wa cabinet ya mbere buru ya broad based na bawa kwena nkonia itumye nkonia kana itan 580,000 ikinyita tayari so kakutetia kawaida fertilizer cia kawaida number 2 manto ya funding ya iuya cia mbecha cia sheriff fund right sheriff fund yeje was supposed to be I think 6 billion but finance bill ne tayari so boateranga yeah
so kiri fertilizer ukugira kuma the first phase irae jire fertilizer jana kwa ni KPCU wote fertilizer nge subsidy ya kinya ya rimba kauga fertilizer ya kauga ni different na fertilizer ya mpempe kana any other commodities ku fertilizer atu ithireto tukiwitness ikija and we are not even sure iwe je tekethera kethena subsidy ya kauga ni fertilizer kwa ndampempe na riu tize rutereruru kethera arimbaka we kaboriritwe kana akathirikari kwenda atana arimbaka wa
biratire ni marete arimi ba mayani mbona bakiura fertilizer ya obongwa ni ontuka wa potential fertilizer ni bongo bona societies
kile 8 pillars ile cia subsector implementation committee imwechio yari ya subsidy fertilizer tikatu twika tuteguraira as a union bado twina mubango jora tugita jogurira arimbaka oga lakini kuringana ole kuna fluctuations ya coffee prices yari njire mwe ku caution prices ile kin operation cost itethorali guru so rande besides kinyagwetera subsidy fertilizer kuma kire thirikari bado twi mubango jwa kugurira arimbetu farm inputs na kubanengera the right time
na sometimes back bwana Marete ikwari na kikomano kia kawa right aja actually kiathithikirite Meru for like 3 days if I'm not wrong na kwa na lot of promises arimi be tobataria thina chiao kire deputy president no tunoronga Merete Rwangiru kana no ari na mantu jegi kawa in a nutshell muchema ni kikomano kiu kiachiarire matunda kana it was just showbiz
kire kigomano kau kira mpumba kuga kire 8 pillars ile imwe yacho yari legal reforms na ura gwatwikaga mtu umwe akathia kauga ende kauga na agetere akagure bui bwebererwe nikitu mtu tumira the coffee general regulations ya 2019 na capital market exchange regulations ya 2022 kenda tumenya kugita trading ya kawa so inwane ile to achievire lakini kiri rutere rungi ni ukuona nyamwira jara jange jaririirwe taigukigwa ngibwira mantu ja substance fertilizer na mantu jange jara jario kiri 8 pillars jatiete nyamwira andod na maybe kuma deputy president akuambiria kurege kwarira mantu jau mantu ja kinyire mwisho
ko na naturally bwa gunikire na kungi butagunika
ni tuombire gukinya thokone lakini tuti nigeto mndaugaga the other day ngauga thirikari nikitumi iti gutuma ambassadors bathondeka micemanio na aguri bakauga in the coffee drinking countries tukoria niki thirikari kiri no tukinya tukendera kwira antu ba produce kauga kathongi tutina thoko enthongi then it means antu bara at the end of the day antu barenda mbecha arimbaka barenda mbecha
production ikari ata so far kubuki murimi
for the last every year there is an increment in production onto to compare last year na this year to witness it more than 20% volumes that to produce then Meru. In the previous years, like 3 years ago, Meru only produced 12 million kilos of cherry, they to around 15 million, which means there is an upward trend in production. But nande nukuona issue ya marketing niye kuijiro ni nukuona ikia affected na mantu ya UNDR multinationals bari gabati kumba ko absorb a lot of coffee yetu nontu ba stores chia ile full thirikari ni kiri itigutwira na natuka host that age to one direction and to get other countries are doing it to go about to Kenya. What is the problem?
You know, there's been kwithiri tukwina rwari rwati, you know, ndigurone cia achunkunara ruraya baura kawa ketu kainyama yani yetu baeta baka blend na bakaandika rietu ario kakutithira kwina sort of copyright na kire industry yetu kwithira kwina kitu gitwa copyright. So nuntu kumeketha yeta watea that muntu atiura kawa aku
eta brand
blend alafu akekira akambrand ringi buyaro
ni umabu kuga nonto ugeta nara gwachungu kire shelves ukethera kauga ka some of the societies cia Meru societies cia Nyeri kona antu bakiwa barendeka wakau na ndio kuga still thirikari nitukarete na brand Kenya tunola tumbo brand kawa getu but the process is ongoing so twina karugendo gakaraja kenda tumba gukinyanira mantu ne jakawa na kenda tumenya ku ni ntobietu gutwika na ndire isa copyright na ntobietu antu batego eta by copy by the ntobiao
Mbiratri bwana Marete imbi mwanya ywa Meru Central Coffee Union na KPCU. What's the difference?
Male Central Coffee Cooperative Union ni union ya arimi bakauga it's an apex union cooperatives chonde cha kauga format Male Central Coffee Cooperative Union KPCU mbere yuma structure kauga rira yareo mbere watwikaga KPCU ni ekathia kauga konde ga Kenya before liberalization yathia kawa coffee bondi kendia kawa andiriria kwagire na liberalization na rangos na wamba bobu ingi KPCU arimi beberere other marketing na mirin ka companies ni chia formula kwa na Vika Coffee Mills kwa na CMS kwa na Tropical all those things chochi ejire chia thire KPCU nandi CS akuja tariki nyanya mwezi wa 5 ndare aja in 2020 rira tuingire KPCU awigire the former CS Munya awigire nande KPCU kujukwa thirikari so it is a state corporate is a state entity nandi KPCU is a national entity ya neritango giria other unions ikogita so nandi KPCU is just a player like the Male Central, like Moranga, like Kiambu,
so
Kipkeria.
in short, in competitor.
Is a competitor.
Oh, it's a competitor.
So, was it a bad thing to liberalize Kawa?
to me tindi kuga it was not a right thing known to after liberalization nilio society ciagitukire na ndio kuona just one factory is a society na itikumba go sustain kujisustain kila operation cost rira ciagwate nene wetana aria gwetu igochi ukaigwa mate ne cooperative weja na jankwene ukaigwa nkando they used to be very strong na ni chiomba go support ari mbubu wega igio kuonaga ata ugeta kithino kwina kithino house na ara bwana ugeta igochi kwina igochi house ara tea room so they used to do a lot of work when they were together.
So you see litwa thoma tuhera kintu kita this KPCU and then kwarina Coffee Board of Kenya. Is Coffee Board of Kenya still area bado?
Ni batithirwe yetwa Agriculture and Food Authority.
Niyo
afa then kugatha kwina directorate kwina coffee directorate kwina saiso kwina pyrethrum all of them they are under afa.
Okay.
Urimi bwa kawa so far in Meru County kana na kishiko kiro urungamirite Meru County yake kana nyamwere on this entire region Meru Central. Arimi ba kwambararia urimi ba kawa kana production ikariate kumakiri arimi.
Nirondauga like 3 years ago to produce around 12 million of kilos. They used to around 15 million. So it means na ndiari ni bakuerewa ulimbo kauga na ni bakuerewa. Na one of the things ira tugitite as Meru Central orea ana betaga skuru na vocha ira yatwikaga weto sainiro gaikiria mwarimu akathoma na nuntu ni ciaurire the age by age ni twendete more than 50% yakawa na arimi by mbeche ciao kwina the first advance ira by back to school society chetu ni banengerete na ana betu bachokete batitite in finance institution kweta kukoba mbecha.
You know the reason mboririe mwanya your Meru Central cooperative na KPCU kana new KPCU is because I thought KPCU area thirikari is where farmers maybe bakunengero fertilizer iji subsidized maybe inaoba kunengero cherry fund so tiko miakethura babu kinya ibo ku benefit kumakiri thirikari bura new KPCU kana rimi baba new KPCU bakugunika bwana if you're given level ground.
Tukiambiriria KPCU rira yejite watwikaga no mpanga wiki akawa KPCU kenda wa cherry advance tukanompanga wiki KPCU kawa we wa subsidy fertilizers lakini tuko karandegoro kiamene kia National Coffee Cooperative Union it's an umbrella union ya all the unions tia Kenya nitwaugire murimi nawe liberty ewigia kauga na aria kwenda nigitumio kuona this cherry advance itajukirwo bwega yukuona mantu yatetiro raja bangi nontu KPCU yejite kurwa na other unions itwika neo monopoly ya kwendagia kauga ndaikiura kwa atwire andi tukauga no bago the kwina competition murimi na ikia kauga ara kuona service name aigwa ati Meru Central na ikie Tharakanithi na ikie Kipkere na ikie Murang'a na ara kuigwa kaya wa services in Thongi antwago attend in one area aragutwika ni akatethekera so na thirikari ni eregecire kamba KPCU watwika tugasainaga a tripartite an MOU nabo arimbara bakuja gwakwa bakwenda cherry advance bakeja ngabasainira bageta bakajukia tha iria
kwa
thirikari kuna ni there is an open door narokugwa gwita still murimi agatetheka.
So in short ndirudia 3 nitio muntu aka join union yeku antu aku join ya thirikari
ntiuga nibwije setup ya thirikari bautu turitango ina targets nontu tutifanda wa thirikari so ni better services ara gwetu one thing twetha ina accountability na transparency yakawa gaku murimi agetwa management ya union tizi karende guru si witness kawa kao bane njana grade ciao lera tukwende kawa we inform them lera tuko confirm kawa like today after this kawa karanda rende gorongeta ku confirm we call them we advise them so murimi either are on the loop all through in the entire process tukutwika na ndira wikira kawo tumenyora kageta so the very proposition ya bautwe kireko arimbeto service in Thongi ire goro mono compared na kukungi
but umane ati murimi ura wikiri new KPCU will get better pay nontu ni thirikari fertilizer atithirwa akilalamika ubukulalamika Shiri Fund has no problem with them.
Kiri better pay KPCU iti thoko yao thoko yonde tuikaia Nairobi Coffee Exchange kana direct sale ku KPCU tikeri thoko yao tikayonga irombecha thirikari so rani even as tutoriaga wega ngurukia KPCU so randi it is a matter of competition. Yeah.
Let's talk about wambaboka wa Bwana Marete because ikwithirite kwina thina wambaboka wa mono na antu bakaumira kinyari mbakamenanirie sana na kawaka ukoona muno kethero kabangiri because Martin kawaka ija kwa janarua utuko ketite thokone runene na bachukagie grade 1. What is really happening?
And this is another disadvantage ya baugwe nontu kawakala kaingi kaiyawa ka societies ntaibwa kaithika new KPCU na indonere the other day bukiblema bawa estate farmers baba kuya kawakeno na estate farmers baba baingi baenda chakawako kiri new KPCU.
Ora mpenda kuakire wambapo wakaoa ni untu butere kana untu ugwa Martin ukanenkerwa kauga kiri wende bwa kauga all the cooperative societies jiri code ya kwendia kauga utimenya kujukia kauga kana Marete ukia kauga etagaikia anywhere kwina code there banenkeri and by state kwina code there banenkeri.
What is this code?
Kiri societies chia Meru either XBB bla 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 kulingana na society or factory on the kundi yao weta kiri estate farmers bari kundi chiao na kundi chia Meru ticho kundi chia Tharaka Nithi ticho kundi chia Murang'a kana Nyeri so nandi kira giturikaragia ni gutwika kao aka gakaiwa ni mumemba gaikwe ko tipara mtu ora we na code ira yomba gutumirika kiri wende bwa kauga no umba kugitata urumba kwendia kauga kau na kauga tikakarembocho kana mpembe ugo gekira riko utherukie ndi nirio nkuona there is na thirikari ni turika kwa kauga aka kinyaga kaiwa rukiri kauga kandisapia tije naragetaga
andi
tukore kutinoga tracewa kutinokoneka na tukoria buruburu thirikari na ina njira ya kumenya kugwata amba kana criminals bangi nikikinyantu kwimwe tagwata antu baraba yaga kauga ka arimi ba Meru na ndikiukiure kira turaga tukaraga tugichioragia na tukarigwa na atako karakari.
But sasa you see sometimes back they will CS kindekia akiwa some certain amount ya konia itebati kwethro irekire society but you guys boeka mwanka wibeka waka milioni kadhaa ikuiwa why would we keep kaka ingio kile society knowing very well kwina wamba botena security ya kwana so why would you
nituritanite ari mbetu na kinyarira wamba burare rampant muno nitukaraga tukiberaga to involve the police post iri akwi na nkunia cha kinya substantial amount parete na ara kibine mbekire nusukui na security gani na kawa kare insurance otherwise kidra tutio gituba insure kawa kare societies chiao so una ndeto yokite precautionary measures chionde cia kuona kawa kare ngatendera kuiwa kaire ari mbetu bakethra baina ugwa bakiwa kawa no kombe kuiwa.
I think that's a good move nonto ikariburari yani arimi of course jamburimi Martin keja kuthro nkirima kawa na kamenya from where I sit kawa kakwa safe of course it's not a good thing
so kawa kaga iyo atsara yetakio
etakire murimi
why
kulingana na sheria chia kauga negio tumitugaga
uniki agwithro ndetere kawa kwa factory then I thought it about gwithro ari property ya factory otherwise then it does not benefit me as a farmer.
Kiri wende bwa kawa kana the chain ya kauga murimi ebairwa ni blame nikitu mtukwira society chonde tsinsure kawa na yo nandi challenge ile leo batena cash flow ya kuinsure kaoga nonto factories cha gitu kangangire kwatwika itikumba ku support operations nandi tukubaimiza bajukie kawa cia kawa karakareo kawa kethaga isave riraga kinya kire mil nonto ni shuete kawa konde karakari kithine na kinyagetete Nairobi mbinshuete na kinyageta na borole warehouse kawa kaite insured
na aunio nkwenda kwira mburi atiri is there a way now that when we munene waba like tutekethre twina kawa kala kaingi komba komba kuretera murimi asara otherwise uwene ndi ya munene wori what steps are you taking kuhakikisha ati factories iji kinyacho ni kuinsure kawa yani murimi na kuyukiria kawa kake insurance in that kaiwa ateta asara bunene
ni tugitite milestone yenene nonto as a union one of our duties ni capacity building kwerecha societies chetu na gukinyira kire arimi ni mantu jari ku precautionary measures ira bateri go take kenda rimbo akawa witha buri profitable na ni tuberechete na twabone iria njira na sources ya financing ira bomba kuona kenda bomba ku insure kawa kare nara ki factory yao so you need step to make it nene mono lakini challenge ire reo ni issues chiambesha cash flow problems na onto society chetu ite very stable na kitu mtukuji support kenda chomba gukira
when tuikura I still am bado nongukura kawa kari kintu kia bata sana na actually tukithoma twerawa biggest foreign earner Kenya yani mbecha ira nyingi cia cia export cia umaku makire kawa now it has completely changed bwana Marete in that where I come from kwa arena factory ya kawa ya vandalized anto bagrab some land na hii ni kwa mbori or something bangi maia na mudhanga baturano so how did we get here na ni atatumba kwethia kienda kawa kachoka ringi kwa biggest foreign earner Kenya
kiri mera bia Kenya beyond ni onele kawa kare ya na dola bautu to transact na Kenya shilling aguri bonde bari ya kana dola so thirikari takayorirwe kauga ni one of the foreign exchange ya mwira ana nonto dola ira cheja kire thirikari kire balance of trade to regularize our balance of trade nonto wategera the export and the imports kire baraba gitete economics nona kwina ngapo inene muno lakini tukomba go export kawa gaka ingi no dollars sikeja kulikana ringi kurari na shortage ya dola muno cooperative bank ni yari na monopoly nonto DSS is domicile at cooperative bank na ba play around na nyamwera na other banks a lot na njirera tukitite na by 2027 niyo njirera tuitite as a union tukandika extension officers twina agronomists wakulitana arimbeto na rutera rurungi na ni nchumite guchwa thoko kina nandi arimbona mbecha so kwithara kwina seamless process ura tugu support arim kire rimbo kaoga na yo thoko ni tukwithara twina kenda kareka wakara getambi geta thokone murimi okaoga atithina murimi okaoga aki ukamwa farm inputs na akona thoko indonge akagya na consistent mbecha cia tora tukugita thaici then murimi okaoga gachokora gakari and the product target ira twina yene kuma kiro ijire banga kiro 10 by 2027
no uwe kwina corruption kire urimi wendia na processing ye
kawa
the process yonde ya kawa. Would you say kwina corruption?
Ntuga corruption pasi nonto
an extortion
kire process yewe ndipo kaoga kawa no kari meboya kama no miundene lakini gakinyage factory kakathukirao matangi jara ona ja fermentation kwani kakauga kiriminanda drying tables kauga akamamanira akaeja over fermented kaka lose more than 50% ya kawa ya varieko kauga kakethera gatiumi bwega kakathiwa ikithi tanara dry mill yetu iri kakathiwa kambaira go change quality ora kambira kwa whitish apart from the greenish yellow karera ya kawa nandi process yu yonde ikareka ikwatiken care of murimi ageta kirusaga mbecha every stage arusire mbecha factory arusire mbecha kithine na mimbi nuntu nagurus mbecha kirikinyawe ndiye ni bwakaoga ageta kalus mbecha
na muri oyo imamira ukutwika ati kawa ikawita na haraka ka ferment kana ka change rangi or all these issues ijitia quality
iniro tukugatire bona gichunge ni to train army ni to train factory managers the machine operators ni to get kinya disc spraying in the whole of Eastern Province ni ba utu ageto spray ka disc area aya med central
what is that
disc area ikonyora kawa kire factory ikethera ikambiria kuthira kairo makauga no aro makauga rirageta kugiterwa quality analysis ketha kaina machine damage
kawa katibati watuka
atibatiri gwatuka kabatiri kumora gikonde kira kiare kibatiri kuma na mpendi kauma ili clear and the mail central tuitete atu engi twagora machine very expensive seko gita disc spray chuma ikauma kinya kiambu ikaretwa aja ya twagitira disc spray so itu chiomete na njira chionde kenda twakikisha murimi na gutetheka in the whole chain kenda tikethera kirusa anywhere in the quality discrepancies
what if bwende societies each on the na coffee union each on the ichoke kiri KPCU just like it was before
igachoka hata na KPCU ne thirikari and then number 2
ichoke thirikari ora kwina KTDA twende tutakiri
thirikari ka jiregulate that is the challenge that we are having na kila tukuria kinya counties uchione china ili biao na byo bigetako tutikulega KPCU yethra ina access yethoko nuntu nikoe wa mbecha but all the unions are very open and actually work also with KPCU tikatore enemies ikethra kwina thoko ekuoneka murimi uria agatetheka whoever who has the market get supported akendia kawa murimi akona mbecha so in all these matrix but tuigite murimi katikati ka kila kitu tuchwa avenues ira murimi agatetheka
you know kiambia the reason boririe manto ya corruption kiri kawa without really ukaraya kankwenda hukuma siasene majority leader wa National Assembly yoro na te waro ake nethirito akiaria na uchokera ati kuri muntu wo kuyikithiringi thatu kiri kawa kwanza kana
it is in the papers today
yenkathiti naro
bunta gwata nuntu kire wende bwakaoga unless maybe corruption na ntikwa nere ono ntore kawa geta Nairobi Coffee Exchange getaga kakendwa na openness kinyoka loga aja nira kukwendwa you see it online kinyoka the US kana UK prices siri jukagwa by the highest mbinda muguri ore atakare ambecha in a direct settlement system antu bonde baka settled the milling charges the marketing charges na society gets settled from one pool and intina arona ira chiringi thatu
is auctioning the only way ya kwende kawa
no there are two ways there is the second window direct sale iria muguri yake kare na cooperative society management abere kawa aka double dipugulira ndoro magana jana bere anwe ba transfer mbecha maybe pa 50 kg pa bwere anwe muri mbecha muri miare mbecha kwa change hands banandi ora tutegitaka tuteri receivables kirikawa kawa gateka 5 days ukarea murimi akanenkerwa mbeca ciawe the society rira nkuga murimi ni society but of course atiritarate immediately no mpangete kawa konthe kagite atia kendwe kenda ritarate
na ni iri kumbendi kiri icio iri ni iri kumurimi akuona baita nkuruki
and in direct sales no tukinya regulations iriuga direct sale ithirere higher than the auction price.
So what you're doing by utwira no kubauriria thoko ni kuria direct sales
yes.
How far away?
Riria ndengirwe tariki nya mweri jwa 2020 ndari na muguri
wa KPC
wa South Korea na eja mbirite akangurira kauga 110 shillings per kilo all the coffee ngwita na acharia twatigire society thanthatu na nindeta societies cia Meru mbere tukarendi guru kwina muguri urio but nandi ni gitiro siasa akineta ndari na muguri wa Poland when $13 per kilo kiribo bonde nutubwa volumes ile ikwendeka kawa getu katina quality ile iguru ina imbi katina volumes ile iguru ku mtu aga prefer weta Ethiopia na ara akona consignment imwe than kuijojo kiangunia ijire kianjori kana kunia 20 ete ndimbiria jo keingi ete kuongea jo keingi na kawa from different regions of course kija ku kambalk kienda kethera kale a certain blend ya kwendelea mtu kethera nyingi kethera lakini mtu akeja society mwaka jukia a whole container kana container jiri kana container idatu ethera kiga gwari mo secure than kuja kujukia tuga twingie au ngania kana mbalo kiamwe unande aguri no nguchiomia guchwa lakini ndare na aguri lakini they went away ntu bambire kangu bairire ndabera ndi nakauga ndare na society chetu indetera kauga bakareka ikundetera kawa
why na it's a union
kagita kau nirira twengi kumana KBC na ndi antu ibare na ugua bobo nene ntu ibona thirikari na kinya ugua tumbagurwa na thirikari
are very empowered anyway
so situation ikari ata tha hiyo
union kuna societies it is very calm na more than 90% yakawa Kameru the Ranja Meru Panganara Meru North ninakawa kaingi na aguri no bagushow up
so ndiruri atire do we have a problem kinyatha hii ya kuchwa kawa kuma kiri societies now to for example kia kuona muri karimi ukethra wina thina kinyatha hii ya kwethra we convince societies icho ndi kuretere kawa kana muguri no wokethra aita this direct buyer no wokethra aita kuthurania kawa kiri societies do you have like a place ukothurania kawa kako ndo ke muri ya ayo kayukie in bulk
nande kutina thina thaiji ndu itwa na nicho one of the reasons muchemanio njoe goro twariria amwe twereanwa nakenda nandika wakeja in the mill tukomba kuthira turia mkena twina bargaining power
so far we are okay now
we are okay.
Yeah, because kuri murimi womba kwethra are very skeptical about union yeku and would rather trust the government
kauga gatiagaga kauga is a political crop kilibongo kwera 90% of course 10% ile ome is tu gutiagia rimbaba kai
so burao twira thaini ati the union is doing way far much better buchokanire society zira chari cio bothama
that's it na gitumi kinyamila itwika ile activity ya union nikena nandi tuthatwina close to loop tuthatugisupporta urimbo kauga tuthia kauga na twendi kauga everything under one house under one roof
so tukithiria kubo twirire mantu ya twayuta mutame mtu ataje school is it available right now mtu no yataka ukimutame waka in the school
mutame jote available thaiji but nande kwina two ways kwina voucher no wait society ukajukia mbecha no ukajukia the voucher ukajukia capital circle you get the money another thing nuntubwa arimbetu they are indebted cost of capital, cost of financing of debts iri iguru muno ndene Kenya. Twithiaga kauga tukuna muthenya kenda twendia kauga before school ichoka. Societies either from their own equity kana mbeche ciao ira bari instead of beka mpanga the last bin iriria kendwa paka rita certain grade paka nenkera rimba choka school ana ba choka school.
Okay.
What ni biobu kubwithia thai ya union kiambia tukithiria ni biobu kubwithia thai ya union otira ati you know murimi na kwa motivated kurima kawa kana
under the union, that is
under the union like kuba kawa kayaru you know a brand
kana imbibo kwaja na unique.
Kintu kia mbere batwe nurseries chetu twina nkrukie miti ngirima kana 3 cia kwenderia arimi at a subsidized cost. Twina extension officers kwina agronomists bakuritana arimi ura bakarima kauga twina expertise bakuthia na kwendia kawa. So it is everything is in-house. Kutwikana ni twina expertise na mantu jonthe cha kugitana ora oigwa ukuwa nkere mantu ya disc spray kethera factories chetu disc chao ni thuki bakeya baka sprayed na kinya itugurira arimi farm inputs chia kugitatia chia kuhakikisha arimba gwikira bakugira na gwikira fertilizer the right time.
Thank you so much Bwana Marete ntuba kuona kanya na kwithorokera na watu mantujegie kawa. Thank you so much murimi okawa ingwete kibire bire bio ndokarebe mantujegie kawa tukutha twikurire na Bwana Marete abieka werune mutegeri gatupe kutha tukirikire tugushokera chiro rongi batu tugashokera twarikia kuigwa nteto.